Those lumps, bumps, and bulges, they ruin our outfits, cause us to layer up, or worse yet, force us to squeeze into hot, constricting undergarments that are impossible to get on and even harder to get off. Introducing the revolutionary breakthrough in women's shapewear, Slim and Lift Caress. Caress shapewear is so fashionable and sexy that you actually want it to be seen as a lacy accent, under a blazer, or even on its own. It looks like a gorgeous top, but it actually slims your appearance, smooths your shapely curves, and even lifts and firms right where you want it.
I put on the Slim and Lift and I lost 2 dress sizes immediately.
The Caress really just smooths everything out. Nice, clean lines.
I would have no problems with anyone seeing my Slim and Lift Caress because it's actually feminine and pretty.
Ordinary shapewear just flattens you out, but Caress flatters your figure. The magic is the layering of our slim curve toning design that trims, lifts, and supports, while the delicate, breathable, lightweight lace layer covers all imperfections and makes you look stylish. Match it with any outfit. Wear it as a cami, or even as an elegant top.
The Slim and Lift Caress is revolutionary for the fashion industry because so many times in the past, shapewear has been hidden. Everyone wears it underneath and you don't want it to show. Well, with the Slim and Lift Caress, it can show, and it should show. It accentuates your wardrobe.
And remember, with the slim curve toning design woven right in, you'll look pounds thinner and inches smaller instantly for your date, job interview, or special occasion. Super airy, comfortable, and lightweight. You can even wear it under your favorite tops to tame your tummy, slim your sides, smooth back fat, hide those hips, even lift your chest. Whether you wear it under your clothes, as part of your outfit, or alone, no more hiding. Caress is shapewear you'll want to show off.